Hi everyone, welcome to Solved Pages YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how to create a maintenance cleanup task for deleting the old backups. So in the previous video we have seen how to automate the backups using the maintenance plan, right? So today we're going to see how to delete those backups. So go to the management, maintenance plans. So select maintenance plan wizard. I'm naming this as cleanup process. And the description, backups will delete older than a week. Since I'm creating only one task, you can select any one of these options. And the schedule is selecting daily occurs for every 1 hour, so that it will check the folder for every 1 hour. Select maintenance cleanup task. So you can delete backup files as well as reports as well. I'm selecting backup files. If you want to delete a specific file, you can give the path here. So like this, select the path slash, or else you can directly select this path as well, and file. So if you can select like this, you can delete the specific file. If you want to delete multiple files in the same folder, you have to select this option, search folder. So this is my folder. So these are the multiple files I have with the different dates. So these three are the backups I have taken today, and these are the old files. This file I have taken before 15 days. This is the I have taken last year. So I have different files with different dates. I've selected this path extension. I have all the full backups and differential backups, so that I'm giving extension as .bak, and I want to delete the files older than 1 week. Okay, go to next, and finish. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to run this as manual because I don't want to wait for 1 hour. See here, see all the old files will be deleted. Whatever the files or very recent files are there, old files will delete, or deleted automatically. So this is how we can create this maintenance cleanup task. Thanks for watching.